remote work has become the new normal, and having the right tools is essential to stay productive and organized. Google Drive is one of the most powerful tools for remote teams, offering features that make collaboration, file management, and communication seamless. In this video, we'll go over the top benefits of using Google Drive for remote work in 2025. One of the biggest benefits is easy access from anywhere. Whether you're working from home, a coffee shop, or while traveling, Google Drive keeps all your files in the cloud. You can open documents, spreadsheets, slides, PDFs, and more on any device, desktop, laptop, or mobile. Plus, with offline access, you can keep working even when your internet connection is unstable, and changes will automatically sync once you're back online. Another major advantage is real-time collaboration. Remote teams can work on the same document at the same time, leave comments, make suggestions, and track changes instantly. This reduces email back and forth and helps everyone stay on the same page, whether you're preparing reports, brainstorming ideas, or reviewing presentations. Advanced sharing and access control is another critical benefit. You can share files or folders with specific team members and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit. In 2025, Google Drive added folder-level access restrictions, making it easier to protect sensitive projects while still collaborating efficiently. Google Drive also integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This allows remote teams to create a fully connected workflow. For example, you can attach Drive files directly in emails, schedule meetings with shared documents, or collaborate on presentations in real time without switching apps. File organization and search are simple yet powerful in Drive. You can color code folders, add emojis, and use advanced search filters to quickly find the files you need. With version history, you can restore previous versions of documents, which is particularly useful when multiple people are editing the same file remotely. Remote teams can also benefit from AI-powered tools like Gemini AI, which can summarize long documents, track recent updates, and even generate drafts. This saves time and ensures that everyone stays updated without spending hours reading through multiple files. Finally, security and reliability make Drive ideal for remote work. Files are encrypted. Two-factor authentication is supported, and you can control exactly who has access. Shared drives make team file management organized and consistent, so projects run smoothly even when team members are in different locations. In summary, Google Drive makes remote work easier, faster, and more secure. From real-time collaboration and seamless access to advanced file management and AI tools, it's the ultimate platform for remote teams in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.